Right, today is June 5th, and I'm finishing up assembly of the front end with all the panels and parts and stuff. So I put the arms on, and then the hood latch, and the radiator support, and other fenders. Um, and then as I'm looking at this, something is off. So when you look at the bumper support, the extenders here, I can't even get my finger in here. I mean, you've got, you know, not even an eighth of an inch, and then over here, it's got quite a gap. It's almost like a 3/4 of an inch gap over here, and then also the door, driver's side door, the gap is fairly large, and the passenger door is almost normal. It's a tad small on some areas and low. So this whole end here is all screwed up because this fender was got in an accident. That's the original fender, but it's messed up. So either way, as you look at the car, because of this here and that door, this front end needs to go that way. So in order to close that gap and increase this gap and help close the gap on the driver's side door, this front end needs to twist just slightly. I don't think it's the subframe. If it is, it's only by like an eighth of an inch or so, maybe a quarter inch. But that would, and if it does need to move, it would need to go this way. But it wouldn't make any sense because that means the gap here would increase and the gap here would decrease, and I don't have any room to move it over. So if the subframe moved over, this assembly wouldn't work. So what I think it is the radiator frame support that is off by about half inch or so. So this whole front end, panels, fenders, radiator support, whole thing needs to shift to the left side of the car, so that way. So when the painters get it, I'll talk to them about that and have them realign it when they reassemble it. Other than that is kind of it. So I'm slowly putting this thing back together so we can get painted. Some miscellaneous things I need to do, but I'll recap that later. All right, that is it.